According to BuildWith, 16,350 websites on the internet use the power of DigiStore24 to promote affiliate products. Hello everyone, I am Shubhamjeet Kumar. I'm an affiliate marketer and coach. I'm the founder of Shubhamjeetkumar.com, where I post content related to affiliate marketing. And in this video, I will share a brief introduction of DigiStore24, followed by the steps to register on the platform. Then I will share the 6 steps of how you should approach affiliate marketing. Alright? My goal is to publish videos in an easy to understand language so anyone who watches them understands the content and information that I share easily and clearly. So let's begin this video. In this segment, I will give a brief introduction to DigiStore24. So DigiStore24 is an affiliate network that was founded in the year 2012. Francis Wolf is the co-founder and CEO of DigiStore24. It is located in Germany and is a part of the computer systems design and related services industry. Coming to sales, DigiStore24 generates approximately 1.69 million in sales every year. According to SimilarWeb, every month about 2.5 to 3 million people visit DigiStore24 and fetch their affiliate links to promote the myriad of products it hosts. Of the 2.5 to 3 million monthly visitors, about 8.5% are Indians. And according to BuildWith, in India, about 74 websites utilize DigiStore24 for promoting products. Alright? If you want to dig deep into DigiStore24, I've placed a link to SimilarWeb that will walk you through the stats broken down by marketing channels, traffic sources, and so on below this video. Okay? Now, I will open my browser and show the steps of registering on DigiStore24. To go to DigiStore24, type digistore24.com in the search bar and hit enter. I've placed the link in the description box. If you want, you can click it and get started. So this is the landing page of DigiStore24. If you want, you can explore it. So to register, click register now. Now inside sign up as, click affiliate. If you want, you can click vendor and affiliate, but I'd suggest you click this option only if you have a product of your own that you want to promote. Okay? I want to sign up as an affiliate, so I'll click affiliate. My username will be Kumar61. So as you can see, if I promote products, this will be my affiliate link. Okay, I'll enter my email. Repeat the email. Now I'll enter my password. The password again. I'm in India, so my time zone will be Asia Cal. Then I'll enter my first name, last. Company is optional, so I'll keep it blank. Then I'll enter my address. Date. Then I'll enter my phone number. Now check both the check boxes and click register for free now. So your account has been created, and to verify your account, DigiStore24 has sent you an email on the registered email ID. In the email ID, you will get an activation link through which you can activate your DigiStore24 account. Alright. After creating the account, the next step for you is to log into your account with the username and password, select products and start promoting. Okay? I hope the steps for registering on DigiStore24 are clear. Now let's move to the third segment of this video. In this segment, I will share the steps that you should follow to promote other people's products. Okay? So the first step for doing affiliate marketing is to identify your niche. For those of you who do not know what a niche is, I will say that niche is a small segment of a large market. Niche is a small part of a big market. Okay? I always give the cake analogy to my students when I explain niches. As per my cake analogy, the cake represents the big market and slice of the cake represents the niche. Got it? For example, if health is the big market, yoga for weight loss is the niche. Okay? Every successful online entrepreneur has clarity of his or her niche. Or if I may put it the other way, many affiliate marketers fail because they do not have clarity about their niche. If you are a beginner and have no idea about your niche, I will ask you a few simple questions. What are you passionate about? What is the one thing which you can do for hours? What is the one thing you will get never tired of doing? Your answer to these three questions will be your niche. Alright? So, this was step 1, niche clarity. The second step is to select a product. Since we are talking about DigiStore24, you will find hundreds of products on the platform and you can select one based on your niche. Okay? To illustrate the steps of product selection, I will open my browser and log into DigiStore24. Please note that the steps are same on every affiliate platform or affiliate network. Okay? Okay. To select the product, I will log into DigiStore24. To log in, I will click login. I'll enter my username and password. Okay. To find your products as per your niche, click marketplace and on the left hand panel, you will find a lot of product categories. These product categories are nothing but your niche. Okay. For instance, I want to promote a product of fitness and health niche. So I'll click fitness and health and I will select a product. Now, when you select a product on DigiStore24, you need to take care of a couple of things. Firstly, the commission rate. If the commission rate is less than $10, do not select that product. Okay. Secondly, you want to check the cancellation rate. If the cancellation rate is greater than cart conversion, do not promote that product. Alright. In this case, in the case of Ultimate Keto Meal Plan, the cart conversion rate is 22% and cancellation rate is 13.7%. So we can promote this product. Okay. So to select the product, in fact, once you have identified the product, to select the product, click the Promote Now button here. And once you click Promote Now, you will get your unique affiliate link. Okay. So the next step for you is to simply copy it and create content. Alright. So I've copied it and now I'll close it and we'll move to the next step. Okay. Now we have selected the product that we will promote. Now the third step is to create content containing a brief description, features, benefits and drawbacks of the product. Okay. You can create content in any or many of the following formats. The first format is product review. When you review a product, focus on the benefits, not the features. Okay. People want to know if the product works and how it can help them. So instead of sharing all the cool features of the products, share the benefits those features will have to the users. Okay. An ideal approach to product reviews is to present the products as solutions. While sharing how the product works, you can share how your life was before using the product and how it is now after using the product. Okay. Paint the before after picture in people's minds and provide value. Alright. Now The second type of format or content that you can create is a how-to guide. In how-to guides, you could share the steps of how people can achieve their goals in a stepwise manner. For example, if you are promoting a product that helps developing six-pack abs, you can share the steps of how your audience can develop six-pack abs in N steps. Okay? Please bear in mind that the users are normal people and they only want the steps of achieving their goals. So do not go into the technical details if not needed, and try to share the steps in an easy to understand language. Okay? Let's now move to the third format, checklists. A checklist is a list of items that must be done to achieve a goal. For example, if you want to bake a cake, you can create a checklist of all the ingredients that you must have to successfully bake a cake. Okay? The checklist must contain all the items that people must use or the steps they must complete to achieve the ultimate goal. Alright? For example, if you are sharing a checklist for baking a cake, share all the ingredients people must use, and if they miss even one item from the list, the end product will be completely different. Alright? Now, the fourth type of content you can publish is product demonstration. Although affiliate marketing is about promoting other people's products, you can, in some cases, buy the products yourself, use them, and share with your audience how those products work. Alright? Through product demonstrations, your audience will know how the product functions and they will realize the look and feel of it. Okay? You can purchase the product, use it, and show people how it will provide value and solve problems. Okay? You can also answer the top 3 questions that addresses people's doubts and queries regarding the product. Alright? You can go to sites like Amazon or any other public review website. Alright? Now, we come to the fifth type of content that you can post, case studies. Look, long story short, people want to know if the product you are promoting works, isn't it? So share the results of people who use the product and got results. Okay? If you are promoting a weight loss product, you can publish a case study of someone who was overweight before using the product and saw results they desired after using the product. Okay? Case studies help greatly as they illustrate that people who use the product get results. Alright? People want to know if products work, and case studies pretty much clear their doubts. Alright? And always provide value. Always put people's aspirations before yours. Your aim must be to help people solve their problems and provide them with value. Okay? So that was all about step 3. Until now, we have seen 3 steps of doing affiliate marketing. Now let's move to the 4th step, promotion or marketing. Until you promote your content, people will not know anything about you and the products and services you offer. Promote content that solves people's problems and provides them with value. Okay? So, before you promote your content on Facebook or WhatsApp, make sure that what you have created helps people and solves a specific problem they might be facing. Okay? So, create content to help people and solve their problems. Alright? Now, you can promote your content on social media like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. You can promote your videos on Facebook posts, stories, direct messages, and so on. You can also join a group related to your niche and share your content. By posting in groups, I do not mean blindly posting the links. Write 3-4 lines telling people about what the content is about, what the product is about, and how they will get value from it. Before posting anything anywhere, answer people's question, what is in it for me? Give people a reason to click on your link and watch the video and purchase the product. Okay? Now, the second platform where you can share your content is Instagram. The first approach to sharing content on Instagram is to put the link in your bio section. The second approach is to update an Instagram story with 3-4 lines telling people about the product and then add the link. Okay? You can follow the same approach on WhatsApp. Write 3-4 lines telling people what the content is about and how it will help them, then put the link. Okay? So this was about marketing on social media. You can follow the same approach for emails. You can send emails to people describing your content and telling what problem your blog or video solves, then add the link. Okay. The third method to promote content is by running ads on Facebook or Google. Running ads will cost money, so if you think your content is powerful to attract leads, attract sales, go ahead. Affiliate marketing is a free of cost business is a myth, and there are occasions where you would need to invest money. Alright? Now, the fifth step of affiliate marketing is to generate traffic. You can generate traffic organically or you can run ads on Facebook or Google. Okay? Without traffic generation, you will fail to reach people. Okay? No traffic will need to no sales, so generate quality traffic. Alright? And the final step to do affiliate marketing is to generate sales. Your content and how it helps people will help you to generate sales. Your content must be unique and you should solve people's problems. Okay? Please bear in mind that people are not looking for products, they are looking for solutions. So if your content can bridge the gap and paint the picture in people's minds about how product can make their lives better, they will click your affiliate link and buy. Okay? So let's revise the 6 steps. The first step was finalizing your niche. The second step was selecting a product. The third step was creating content that helps people. The fourth step was marketing. The fifth step was traffic generation through free and paid methods. And the sixth step was to generate sales. No matter what your niche is, if you follow these 6 steps, you can do a great job. In my live training sessions on affiliate marketing, I dive deep into each of the 6 steps to give you a better understanding and how you can master each step to establish a lucrative affiliate marketing business. I've placed the link below this video to my training. You can open the link and reserve your seat. Okay? Additionally, I've placed a PDF containing more than 100 niches in the description box below. The PDF will help you to find and finalize your niche. Okay? So, in this video, I shared a brief introduction to DigiStore24, followed by the steps for registering on DigiStore24 as an affiliate. Then I shared the 6 steps for doing affiliate marketing. So, if this video provided you with value, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments box below. And if you want to see more content related to affiliate marketing, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive updates as soon as I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.